Meaning of habit forming.
Habit forming.
Habit forming.
Habit forming.
Habit forming. Habit forming refers to behaviors or activities that can become addictive over time, leading to a compulsion or dependency on them. These habits can arise from a variety of sources, including substances like drugs or alcohol, as well as behaviors like gambling or social media use. When a habit becomes ingrained, it can be difficult to break free from its grip, and can have negative consequences for physical, emotional, and mental health. Therefore, it's important to be mindful of the habits we develop and prioritize healthy, sustainable choices to avoid falling into the cycle of addiction.